Going to have parents here, our wonderful parents, say out a random word, an object, any object, camera, phone, marker, whatever. Say that again.
Smile.
Smile. All right, smile. All right. I'm going to write that here using a blue marker. Here. Blue marker. Amog, are you sitting next to your mom?
Yes.
Okay, Amog's mom. An object, please.
Star.
You're talking about Amog?
Yeah.
All right. Star. He's a mama's boy. He's been missing his mommy. See how he's sitting next to her? All right. Yes, ma'am.
Camera.
Camera. And you are whose mom?
Darsh.
Darsh. All right. So for you all, your identity is going to be by your child. Okay. So I'm going to call you Darsh's mom, Abok's mom, and all that. Camera. All right. Yes. Confidence. Confidence that we saw little Kaushiki the kangaroo show this morning. Confidence. Yes, ma'am.
Faith.
Faith. And whose mom are you?
Prachi.
Prachi. Confidence. There's faith. There's smile. There's laughter. All right. Yes, sir.
Already you picked confidence.
All right. Give a new one then.
Confusion.
All right. Yes.
Awareness.
Awareness. Yes, Mr. Suresh. Diamond. All right.
Something that we learned this topic.
Yes, sir. Any object.
Hero.
Hero. You talking about me or you? Maybe you.
I have a lot of high value words, so it's okay.
That's it. Yeah, might as well just throw in yourself in the mix. Yes, sir.
Light.
Light. We finally have light at the end of the tunnel, where we are done with awareness, confidence, discipline, confusion, smile, laughter, all of that. All right. So number 20 is light. All right. Lead the way, and then we'll pick one of you. All right, sir. You don't want the mic. Yes, just be loud enough then.
So number one is smile.
So,
Yeah. Here.
Number one is smile. Number two is star. Number three is camera. Number four is confidence. Number five is faith. Number six is caring. Number seven is classes. Number eight is violin. Number nine is music. Number 10 is empathy. Number 11 is coconut. Number 12 is laughter. Number 13 is hard work. Number 14 is discipline. 15 is compassion. 16 is confusion. 17 is awareness. 18 is diamond. 19 is hero, and 20 is TV.
Please.
No, it's not. Sorry, not TV. Oh, it was. What?
Yeah, that's fine.
20 was.
First your mind side. No, hold on. He doesn't need help.
I know.
First your mind side. First your mind side. Just trust your mind side. So.
Oh, it's light.
Say it loud. Are you sure? Man, I really don't need to come back here for anything. You know what he just told me? He says he wants to do random, right? Which means he'll let each one of you pick up a number and he'll tell you what object is on that number. Or any object, and then he'll tell you what number it is on. That's right? Is that right? They learned it here, but I didn't expect them to demonstrate it here. Alright, Soham, let's do that. But one more thing before he does that. In the class, we learned some techniques which has some fundamental principles about converting a known thing to learn an unknown thing and use images, right brain triggers and all of that. But I'm extremely pleased to see right now that they have expanded their understanding to go beyond objects and pick up on feelings like faith and compassion and confidence and confusion and laughter and so. These are not objects you can see, pen, I can imagine an object, right? Or a computer as an object I can imagine that have the image. But how do you create an image for awareness or confidence or confusion or smile or laughter? So they've already expanded the applicability of this, and very, very proud of you, Soham. Very good job. All right, parents, random number. 11.
That would be coconut.
3.
3 would be camera.
15.
15 would be...
You got it.
Compassion.
19.
19 is here.
4.
4 is confidence.
9.
9 is music.
Hard work.
Hard work would be on 13. 7 would be 7 would be glasses.
Very good. Good one.